Have you installed your vehicle entry permit already? Well, you're not done yet. There's still 2 more things you need to do. When you collect your VEP and you get it installed in your car, it's actually not immediately active. The first thing you need to do after your VEP installation is to activate it online. But according to what the TC Sense employee told me, you'll have to wait till the day after installation. Not sure how true that is, but being Singaporean, just follow law. Just follow law. Anyway, for me, I had my VEP installed on Thursday, so the next day, Friday, I logged on to the VEP website to activate my tag. So when you log on, this is what you will see. Under the status column, it says pending for acknowledgement, and then under the action column is an acknowledgement button. So just click on that. You'll be prompted to key in the tag serial number. You can find the tag serial number in this booklet that you receive at the collection center. Type in the tag serial number, then click Validate. Upon doing so, you'll receive this message that your tag serial number is valid. Click the Continue button to proceed. You'll see a video instructing you how to install the tag on your vehicle. Unless you're planning to install the tag yourself, you can just skip this one. Last thing you need to do is upload a photo for proof of fitment. This photo should clearly show your vehicle, the license plate, and the VEP tag itself. Once you've uploaded the photo, the status will change to tag issued but not activated. At this point, there's nothing more you can do, so just sit tight and wait patiently. Just to share my personal experience, I collected my tag and had it installed on Thursday. Then the next day on Friday, I logged on to the VEP website to activate it. I was expecting a response the following week at the earliest, but to my surprise, the activation email arrived on Sunday night, yesterday night to be precise. This is the email I received telling me the good news. So that was quite fast. Technically speaking, less than 1 working day. At the moment of making this video, it is Monday, 30th September 2024. The VEP deadline is tomorrow, 1st of October 2024. So thankfully, I made it just in time. Super grateful for that, especially as I know that many people out there are having a tough time getting their VEP. So here's hoping that all of you out there will get your VEP soon if you haven't. And for those who haven't applied for the VEP, I know the Malaysian government has come out to say they will implement the VEP enforcement in stages and only give you a warning notice if you haven't installed the VEP yet, but I would still highly suggest that you get started on your application soon, as it does take a bit of time. In my case, back in 2022, from the time of applying to getting the approval, it took about 5 months. If you're curious how it happened for me, you can watch the video via the link above or below. The second thing you need to do is to make sure to link your VEP RFID tag to your Touch and Go card. For me, it happened automatically because I had already updated my vehicle details in the TNG app. So when my VEP RFID tag was validated, it was somehow immediately linked and I didn't have to do anything. But in case you have to do it, these are roughly the steps to follow. Open the app, scroll down a little bit, then tap on the RFID icon. Then tap Activate Now. You have to enter your personal details, then your vehicle details. After that, you either scan your VEP tag or enter the tag number, and that's it. Activation should be within a matter of days. Alright, that's it for this video. Hopefully it was useful. Let me know if you have any questions, but please just note that I'm only sharing my experience here. I'm not, again, I repeat, I'm not an expert on VEP, and I don't have all the answers, but I will try my best to find out for you. With that, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. See you soon.